Oh yeah, this is Woods life right here. Woods life. See how big that dragonfly is? It's bigger than my hand, y'all. What's up, you big horsey? How big that horsey is?
Why is this first one? I love me spotted.
Oh yeah.
Just brush it.
Look at them ones.
Bite my kid, I'm on your ass.
What's up, big guy? What's up, big guy? What's up, big guy? What's up, big guy? What's up? Whoa. What's up, big guy? Don't do that. Don't do that. Why you want to scare him? What's up, horsey?
It's okay, look.
What's up, buddy? Look at you. You big, huh? What's up, guy? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't climb up there. What's up, horsey? Let's go see the goats. What's up, horsey? He don't want to be petted. He just wanted to be the show. Let's go over here and check out the goats. Hey, go ahead. Meh. Meh. What? Yeah. We do have a spigot. We have a sink on our site. And then later we want to hit this trail right here. Oh yeah. Taking everybody on a walk with me. So they can see my vacation. The guy was crayfishing over here, and he was catching a bunch of them when I came back from fishing earlier. Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta take pictures too. I took pictures last night.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's why I'm filming it now. That'll be the video tour right there. And then at the little creek behind the site. I think that's fine.